Hi again! Hey guys! So, I just got out of the shower, so forgive the hair. I'm air drying it for today. And in this video, I'm just gonna quickly answer or quickly show you how I usually tuck in my shirt because I've been getting a lot of questions about how I do it. And in this video, I'm gonna show it to you. But first and foremost, let me just answer some questions that I get and some tips that I can share. So first question is, does my shirt stay tucked in neatly all day? And of course, the answer is no, it does not. Syempre magalaw ako, umuupo ako, tumatayo ako, so it really gets like crumply and all. But you just gotta have patience, girls. You just gotta have to fix it again if you want to make it look nicely. But personally, if I'm being completely honest, I don't do it all the time. Sometimes napapagod din ako and hindi ko na siya tinatalk back in. Yes, that's the truth. Secondly is I don't have any special techniques like secrets on how I do it. I just honestly shove it all in, pull it bit by bit, make it look neat, make it look more presentable, and that's just it. And third is, no, I don't tuck my shirt in my underwear. I just don't do that. I just don't like the feeling na my cloth beneath my underwear. It's just me. You can do it if you want, but me, I don't. So I just tuck it sa ilalim ng pants ko or ng bottoms ko for that day. And then moving on to the shirt naman, I do believe though that there are certain types of shirt na maganda pag nakatuck in. Like for example, this shirt that I usually get from Uniqlo, I really like how it looks when it's tucked in kasi medyo makapal siya and it has a little bit of a structure to it. So, hindi siya yung mukhang matamlay, hindi energetic, ganon, pag nakatuck in kasi hindi siya lumalaylay. Parang structured pa rin siyang tingnan when it's tucked in, so that's what I like. Second is, I don't really wear shirts yung pang babae, so I usually get my shirts unisex or sa men's. Yung minimin ko na shirt na pang babae is yung may paganitong shape, yung ganon. I don't like that because it's just not flattering to me kasi wala naman talaga akong shape. Tapos pag nakaganon siya, it just makes me look more like Majin Buu, parang ganon. So, hindi ako nagsusuot ng ganon shirts pag tinatuck in ko siya. And then, also, I avoid tucking in shirts na sobrang nipis or yung parang tatangayin lang ng hangin yung tela. I don't do that kasi parang laylay talaga siyang tingnan. And yes, I guess those are just the tips that I have for you. Now, let me show you how I usually tuck in my shirt. Okay, so here we go. So, as I have previously mentioned, this shirt is from Uniqlo. It's the U Crew t-shirt and I'm wearing size small or size medium, but this one is medium kasi I feel like gusto ko kasi ng looser fit sa akin. That's why I get medium. And for the shorts, since lagi akong naka-trousers, I am wearing this trouser shorts para ma-simulate natin yung paano ko talaga tinatawagin ng shirts ko when I'm wearing trousers. So, let me show you. Now, the first thing that I do is talagang, push lang. Push. Not really push, but just shove it all in like so. And I just make sure that wala siyang wrinkles when I shove it all in para it looks really seamless. Like wala siya yung parang buo-buo na nagmamark sa mga pants or trousers. So that's what you have to make sure. Hold on, let me just finish it. This usually takes a bit of time because I really make sure that everything lies flat inside and everything is like laid out neatly. And that's what I'm doing now. Oh my gosh, I think this video is going to be so lengthy. Anyway, once everything is in, tapos wala na siya yung parang, when I do like this, if you can see in my videos, I always do like this because ito yung way good to feel if meron pang mga nakalukot-lukot sa loob. So when I do like this, when everything is already good, I just, as usual, ito na. So this is what we have right now, and this time, all you have to do is just pull. Like pull bit by bit, konti-konti lang. I don't pull a lot. Bit by bit lang talaga until I get my desired length, desired style. So I'm already happy with how this looks. So yeah, ganun lang talaga. And usually people ask me how it looks from the back. So here's how it looks from the back. Ganun lang siya. Sometimes though, so here's the thing. sometimes though, when I'm wearing an oversized shirt or a square shirt na medyo gusto ko siyang i-tuck in to elevate it or put a little bit of another style into it, of course, I just have to put in my mind, kinukondisyon ko na agad yung utak ko na it wouldn't be as seamless as this one kasi ang dami niyang extra fabric. So, when it's an oversized shirt, sometimes yung sa likod talaga or yung sa sides, you're not as neat as this one, but it's fine because yun talaga wala tayong magagawa. Ang hindi pwede ang damit ang mag-a-adjust. So, tayo na lang yung mag